Okay, we're going to install a hinge pin doorstop today. So it's going to go right here on the top hinge here. So it's a great way to protect your walls and protect your doors. And it's also going to be right up high, so we're not going to have any kids getting injured. You're going to be not going to kick it, and you'll be able to vacuum or clean the floors on it really easily. So the things we'll need today, of course, are the hinge pin doorstop. We've got a punch to take out the existing pin, and we've got a hammer to help us do that. So we'll go ahead and take the pin out. So we're going to put the punch right under here, and we're just going to gently tap it up. And now we can take the pin out. Okay, and one of the really important aspects of this doorstop is this plastic ring here. See, it comes out. This is going to allow us not to have metal rubbing against metal. We're not going to have any squeak sounds. We're not going to have any high-pitched noises, and it's going to be a really smooth turn. So we're going to go ahead and put the pin right through. So we've got the pin, the ring, and the doorstop here, and we're just going to put it right back in here. So we've got this. There's an adjustable screw here. So we've got this part is going to go against the door jamb here. This flush part against the door. So we've got it dialed into where we need it here, but you can adjust it, for your doors in your house. So I'll show you just how it's going to work here. As you can see, it stops the door before it gets to the wall. So again, really quick and easy, and a great way to keep your house safe.